Alright, we got the 6.5 Grendel from Bear Creek Arsenal. I know a lot of people like to ride them about their quality, but I've already taken a few shots just to break it in and get it on paper, and apparently it's pretty dead on. It's sub MOA. And I'm going to go ahead and take a few shots with it so you can see there's no failure to feeds, no jamming issues, and alright, as you saw, shot all the rounds. Alright, we're going to be taking more shots with the 6.5 Grendel. I'm going to do a 5-round group using the Hornady Black 123 Grendel. We're going to see how they group using the Bear Creek Arsenal 6.5 Grendel 20-inch stainless. And we have a bracket here because it's $1 a round. Round. Alright, we're going to go down range and take a look at our shots. Well, hey guys, we actually didn't get to go down range and get the targets as expected. The weather turned pretty quick and it was a flood. We were able to get the targets out on time and actually not soaked, which was amazing. And I can actually show you how they look here on pictures here in just a moment. Now, when we first started, the first 5 shots, once we were on paper, were only a 1.3 inch grouping. Now, once we got down the final 5 shots, it actually got down to a 0.4 grouping, except for the one little flinger that you might see. Now, what we were reviewing here is the Bear Creek Arsenal 20 stainless steel heavy barrel upper. It also comes with a 15-inch free float M-LOK rail, or you can get the key mod. I prefer M-LOK because key mod's kind of phasing out. M-LOK's just tons of stuff coming out for it. Now, one thing I do have to say about Bear Creek Arsenal is the fact that their customer service is #1. I actually ordered this upper prior to July 1st. Come to find out that they start their holiday on the 30th, and I was wondering where my upper was. Well, once I got a hold of somebody, they said, hey, we're back now, we're going to go ahead and look into this. He replied back pretty quick saying, hey, yeah, we see what you're talking about. Hey, we had one on vacation between this time and this time. And he was actually very informative and told me that he's going to do his best and go down and talk to shipping and see how fast he can get it out. Well, I replied with, I was hoping to get to use it by this weekend for the review. And sure enough, Friday afternoon, it shows up on my doorstep. So now, it's not just for the review. I just said I need it for this weekend to do the review. And this thing is run flawlessly. No failure to feeds, no failures to eject, no stuck casings. And it's just been a smooth running little upper. Now, the one thing I'm going to also touch on is this lower. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save it for another video. Is actually from a local company called Warhorse Industries. It's a AR-15 lower, but it packs a ton of features for a great price. And if you do like this video and want to see more, please click the like button, subscribe to help the channel grow, and spread it around if you can. And always, thanks for watching.